What's up, everyone? Again, on another video here, we have a tire pressure sensor light flashing on the wife's RAV4. So I'm hooking up the computer and we'll see what's going on. Let's go to diagnostics. Oh, of course it's gonna fall on me. And we have a Toyota. Okay. Yeah, that can stop. Yeah, you can please stop beeping like that. All right, automatic search, yeah. The sun is terrible. How's it? Yeah, there we go. It's a little bit better. Of course, then I can't see. What is this? What? RAV4 2015 manufacturer. Yeah, I guess that looks right. Scanning for data. Let's do a health report. See what it's doing. Some TPMS pressure faults. There's 5 of them. That's interesting. There's only 4 tires. All right, the report's done. First thing I'm gonna do is email it to myself. Report sent. All right, let's see. ECM. Startability malfunction. Okay, that's an interesting one. What else we got? There we go. Tire pressure. Transponder ID error not received. So it looks like ID1 not received main. I'll have to see what all these codes are, but I'm guessing that they're all out of batteries probably. Huh. Anything else? Nope, that's it. So I'll check out this guy, P1604. And then all these emailed it to myself. Cool. So let's go ahead and clear these codes. And see if that weird one for the start comes back. But all right. For now, that's it. Cool. See you on the next one. Peace.